English is the world's lingua franca. That means people around the world of different native languages use it to communicate to each other. You can also learn this language without a classroom partner or a stressful lesson. Hi, my name is Jamaluddin, and in this video I will discuss on how to improve your communication skills. Mainly in this video I shall discuss 4 points. The first point is expanding your English vocabulary, and the second point is improving your pronunciation, and the third is the reading English literature book, and the fourth or last one is hiring an English tutor. All these points will be discussed one by one or in a detail, so that you can get a strategy or a perfect methodology for improving your conversation skill. And so the first point is expanding your English vocabulary. Do you know, suppose you are in the journey of English learning, and so you need a foundations for better English speaking. And I think the foundations of every language is vocabulary. The perfect foundations of English language is English vocabulary. The more the vocabulary in your mind, the better you can perform in your English conversation. So you need to remember what's in context. Remembering what's in context means you need to know the realistic situations for using the English words just like a native speaker, so that your words placed in your sentences can give a clear thoughts and a clear meaning, so that the listeners can exactly understand what you want to say. Here, most important is that suppose you have remembered some words, then you need to move on phrases. Suppose you have remembered the word water and tea, and these two words can be used for making phrases. For an example, I need a cup of tea. Here, a cup of tea is a phrase that is made from the single word tea. Do you want a glass of water? Here, a glass of water is a phrase that can be constructed from a single word water. So I think, suppose you have a lot of English words in your mind and you have a better capability to make them, to use them in your phrases, you can give a perfect performance in your English speaking. And here the second point is improving your English pronunciation. Do you know, suppose you have a lot of English words in your brain and you don't know how to say them correctly, that it means you are incomplete in your English conversation. I think the better you will pronounce the English words, the listeners can be attracted to your conversation. And so it is mandatory to utilize a dictionary, so that you can get ways and methods for pronouncing the words in a correct ways. And here, the most important and crucial method is reading English literature book. I think the more you will read, the more you will get more and more grammatical patterns in your mind. I think reading is the best tips of the world for improving English conversation and learning English language. So I think every learners should spend their times in a daily basis to read English literature book. Suppose you are involved in reading of English literature book, it means you are collecting a lot of grammatical patterns and you are searching a lot of utility and the methods how that patterns can be used during your conversation. So I think the more you will read, the more your English speaking will improve. So I think the best way for improving your English communication skill is reading English literature book. And here, the last one is hiring English tutor. Suppose you have done a lot of activities in English language. Suppose you have written an article and you are conversing in front of the mirror, and you are reading the English literature book and you are translating these English literature books in Hindi language, and you are doing a lot of mistakes. Then the tutor must guide you where you are doing a lot of mistakes. I think a tutor, a best tutors can figure out where you are doing mistakes and where you are doing correctly your activities. So I think while you are on the way of English learning skills, you need a best English tutor so that he can give you some support and some methodology to boost your English communication skills.